In this question, you have to match the items given in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, crop is the structure which is used for storing of food. Thus, A matches with 4. Now, gastric ceca comprises of a ring of 6 to 8 blind tubules at the junction of foregut and midgut in cockroach, which assist in secretion of digestive juices. Thus, B matches with 2. Now, Malpighian tubules consist of a ring of 100 to 150 yellow colored thin filaments at the junction of midgut and hindgut in cockroach, which assists in the elimination of nitrogenous wastes. Thus, C matches with 3. And gizzard is the structure which is used for grinding the food particles. Thus, D matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option C.